After sewing buttonholes, now we usually need to sew the button on, and that is where stitch number 9 comes in. Now first off, you're going to notice there's going to be an X on the foot. That means remove the foot. And if you lower the feed dogs down, that will make things a lot easier. So we've got a couple options here. If you want to have a shank of thread underneath to your button to allow it to kind of easily button onto your project, that is what we're going to see the multi-purpose tool being used for. You're going to set that underneath, and then we're going to use that without a foot all the way down. So let's do this first without this. I'm going to show you the technique. First off, notice that on the screen there's a ×8. That's going to mean that the needle is going to go back and forth 8 times. If you want to increase that or decrease that, you can do that with the up or down arrows. We'll leave it at 8, and then the stitch width of 4. That's going to be for most buttons. That will be just fine. Now, I'm going to have you lower your needle down into the left hole first. Then lower the presser foot. Once that foot ankle comes down and touches the button, it will hold it in place. Then I want to test the swing of the needle, and it happens to hit perfectly into the hole. So now I'm going to just step on the foot control and go back and forth. Well, it'll stop when it's done. Oh, by the way, it's already done. Cut the thread. You can use the thread cutter. It will pick a hole to cut in, and we're already done. Now, I'm going to just cut this off really quick and do it again to show you, here we go, how to do it with the tool. So same concept. I'm going to go ahead and get that lined up. Slide this underneath. Lower the needle down into the hole. Lower the presser foot down onto the button, and then check the swing of the needle. There's the swing. And now I can go ahead and sew back and forth, and it will stop, lock, and cut. Now we have a button that's got a little bit more, here we'll cut this little thread, a little bit more give in it, so when you button it onto the, like if it was a shirt, there's room on the back side for, or underneath, for that extra layer of fabric once it's buttoned.